Hello everyone, my name is Linguichi. Today I'm going to present my Tugasan Amali for Xbos 3203 Occupational Safety 2. The company that I choose is Jingfu Li Enterprise. Jingfu Li Enterprise is a company that built and designed the electrical junction box for electric meters. Most are doing the housing meter junction box and the industry power control panel box. This company has the working space around 1,440 square feet at the middle of the shop lot. This company is a small company, has 8 workers. The operating hours is 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Sunday is considered as off day for the workers. Here we go to have a look inside the company workplace. The major work activities in the company is to design and produce the junction box. All the junction boxes are using the iron plate to fold and design. The activities at workplace including floating iron plate, grinding, soldering, and spraying. The hazard identification for the work activity for the iron plate is cutting blade. It may cause cut or injured on hand or amputated. The existing risk control is a safe work practice. The recommended control measure is to use the hand glove to hold the iron plate for remodeling or folding. For the work activity grinding, the grinding plate is very dangerous because it can cause cut, injured on hand or amputated. The recommendation for control measure is use the hand glove to hold the iron plate for grinding. The frying fragment for the grinding process, it can cause serious cut or eye injury by frying fragment of blood that break during cutting. So it is safe to use the safety guard for the grinding machine and use the hand glove to hold the iron plate for grinding. For the work activity soldering, the flying fragment during soldering, it can cause serious eye injury by flying fragment of blade that break during soldering. The recommendation to control measure is use the safety guard when soldering. Use the hand gloves to hold the iron plate for soldering.
Cho các chị kia lại à.
For the work activity spraying, is very dangerous. The solution sprayed out by the spray gun, which can cause serious eye injury because the spraying is using the coating powder. The recommendation for control measure is use the safety goggle for spraying cover with mouth and nose. Use the hand gloves to hold the spray gun for spray. Keep distance from the spraying object. Wearing standard PPE equipment to avoid the hazard. The purpose for heat rate assessment is to identify the factor that may cause harm to employee and hazard. To assessing the hazard and their associated risk and provide a method to control the risk. First, we need to classify work activities, then consultation, then come to identify the hazard, the risk assessment, and prepare risk control action plan and implementation. For the hazard identification, we need to fill out the HIREX form and make the report. For all the assessment has been done. Here is the guideline for the likelihood scoring or rating and the severity rating. This chart is the risk metric to classify the risks which are low, medium, and high. Here are the HIREX report for the Xbos enterprise, which has been done by myself and approved by Mr. Kong, company manager. Thank you for the attention.